You're listening to Sniper Marketing AI, the nation's leading AI-driven marketing agency. Today we're talking about something that hurts way more than most people realize: lead leaks inside your funnel, and how AI can help you find and fix them. Here's the reality. A lot of you already have traffic, you have visitors, you have people clicking your ads, watching your content, maybe even opting in. But somewhere between I'm interested and I'm a customer, the energy disappears. That's not always a traffic problem. Most of the time, it's a leak problem. A leak is any point in your funnel where someone raises their hand and then nothing useful happens next. Someone opts in and never gets a meaningful follow-up. Someone books a call and no one confirms or preps them. Someone starts a trial and never sees how to use the product. These are the moments AI can help you fix in a systematic way. The first step is seeing your funnel clearly. Take a simple view. Click, lead, sales conversation, customer. Then add detail. What happens right after a click? What happens right after a form submission? What happens right after a call is booked? What happens right after someone buys or starts a trial? AI can help you map and summarize this journey quickly, especially if you have data in different tools. You can use AI to combine notes, emails, and analytics into a clear story. Most leads stop engaging after email 3. Or most trials stall on day 2. That clarity shows you exactly where leaks are. Next, AI can help you score and prioritize leads. Not every leak is equal. If you have leads opening multiple emails, visiting pricing pages, or replying to messages, those are high priority. AI-driven scoring can watch behavior and push high-scoring leads to the top of your list, or trigger stronger automations for them. That prevents your best opportunities from slipping through the cracks just because your team is busy. Then there's follow-up. AI can help you draft the emails, texts, and messages that plug your leaks. Think of things like a warm reminder sequence for people who clicked but didn't book, a "we noticed you stopped" sequence for trials that stalled, a personalized nudge for leads who engaged heavily and then went quiet. You define the strategy, what you want to say, and when. AI gives you drafts and variations so you can build those flows fast. AI can also support retargeting. If your analytics show that people consistently drop off on a certain step, you can run remarketing ads that speak directly to that behavior. For example, still thinking about how to fix your follow-up? For people who visited your automation page but didn't book, AI can help you come up with angles and copy for those ads so they match the exact leak you're trying to fix. At Sniper Marketing AI, we treat leak fixing like maintenance on a high-performance car. You're already paying for the fuel, your traffic. Our job is to make sure the engine, the pipes, and the wiring are tight so power actually gets to the wheels. If you feel like you're doing a lot in marketing, but not seeing enough pipeline, you likely don't need to work harder. You need to work smarter on the places people are quietly slipping away. AI gives you the visibility and speed to do that. If you want support finding and fixing the biggest leaks in your funnel, call 786-565-4749 or visit ht/snipermarketing.ai. And for daily plays on funnels, automation, and AI-driven growth, follow at Sniper Marketing AI wherever you hang out online.